Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A recent Vscode build and optional settings sync so changes follow you. Once ready, open the Extensions view with Ctrl+Shift+X and search for Material Theme. Choose the official pack, hit Install, and allow the editor to reload. This gets themes available immediately. Make sure you watch for any required reload prompts. You're now primed to select a variant and tweak colors, moving straight into theme selection rather than extra configuration chores. Once the extension is active, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and run Preferences. Color theme to view material theme variants. You will see names like Pale Night, Darker, and Deep Ocean. Pick one and observe immediate changes. Next, open the extension settings to adjust accent color, file icons, and UI density to suit your workflow. You can enable or disable specific tweaks there. This is where you fine-tune contrasts and syntax highlights for better readability, balancing aesthetics with clarity for long coding sessions. To finalize, optionally enable the material icon theme from File Icon Theme so file types match the visual design, and then export or enable settings sync to carry your theme across machines. Once done, check Editor Panels and Terminal to confirm consistent contrast. If colors appear wrong, disable other theme extensions or clear customizations by resetting Workbench. Color customizations in Settings. JSON. This common fix resolves conflicts quickly. If issues persist, reload the window or reinstall the extension to restore the intended material theme experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.